Step 1. Installation of Istel ECG app. Download Istel ECG app from Google Play or App Store. Type Istel ECG in the search engine and install the app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Turning on the device. First run Istel ECG and then turn on ECG Recorder by pressing the power button. Step 3. Performing the test. Make sure you have Bluetooth and location enabled on your phone before you begin the test. To perform the test, select the Start Test icon. When launching the app for the first time, you will be asked to allow it to find your device. The app will automatically start searching for the device. Select your device. You can set it as default, in which case the Istel ECG app will only connect to the selected ECG recorder. When establishing an app connection with the ECG, the blue LED will start flashing. After the connection is established, the LED stop flashing and light up continuously. Apply the ECG with the electrodes to the central part of the chest, with the switch facing upwards. The electrodes should be at nipple level. It can be helpful to locate the correct spot by placing your hands on your chest so that your thumb is in the suprasternal notch. The recorder is then placed on the extension of the line formed by the fifth finger. The Istel ECG app will show how well the electrodes are applied to the skin. If any of the 4 electrodes is not adhering properly to the body, the app will highlight it in red. If all electrodes are in correct contact with the skin, the measurement will start automatically. You will see a real-time ECG recording on your phone display. Step 4. Summary of the test. Once the test is complete, the app will display a test summary with information on the average pulse, its regularity and a message on whether atrial fibrillation has been detected. An incorrect result will be highlighted in red. To record the measurement, enter the name, surname and optionally the personal identity number of the person being tested. Step 5. Save test. The measurement result will be stored in the Istel ECG app. To view the result, select the Save Tests icon and then select the measurement you want to see. The screen will display the entire recording from the 6 electrode placement sides. First, second, third, AVR, AVL, AVF. The measurement record can be moved in any direction. By selecting at the top right corner the first icon, you can save the measurement on your phone as a PDF file. By selecting at the top right corner the second icon, you can share the result as a PDF file and send it to the doctor, for example via email. By selecting at the top right corner the third icon, you can send the measurement to the account in the Istel Care system. Example of a measurement saved in a PDF file. Step 6. Settings. In the top right corner, select the triple bar icon to expand the settings option. Confirm your location under the My Location. In the Test Quality tab, you can select the sampling frequency 160, 320 and 640 Hz. The recommended setting is 320 Hz. When you select electrode sensitivity, you can set a low, normal or high sensitivity, depending on the patient's individual characteristics. A normal sensitivity setting is recommended as standard. Under Test Duration tab, you can select measurement durations of 30 seconds or 1, 2 or 3 minutes. The My Devices tab shows the ECG recorders with which the app has established a connection. Under the Istel Care account tab, you can log into the Istel Care telemedicine system. First select the country in which you will use the app. Then select the type of user, patient, doctor or medical staff. Complete your login details by entering the phone number and password used when registering your Istel Care account. If you have not yet created an account, please register at istelcare.pl. The Measurement to Istel Care option allows the automatic transmission of the measurement taken to the Istel Care system. This is a medical device. Use it in accordance with the instructions for use or the label.